All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, I had to make it to Coos Bay, so I wasn't able to get any riding footage, but the boys went out there to represent. This video, once again, it's gonna be a little different, no riding, but you guys might like it because we're gonna go out, get a little snail for this thing right here. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. I have a couple hours of driving, so let's fast forward once I get to the shop. Peace.
Yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so fly, yeah, we taking over the town. Taking over. Watch them throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this paper I can buy. Wanna see you moving now. I can do this all night. Yeah, it ain't even a try. Black truck pulling up to the back door. They already know what we came for. Got the whole section going crazy, this a fact though. She a bad thing, so on the main floor. She already know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it. She a bad thing, and she ain't afraid to show it. Yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it. She gon' make me throw some money on it. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now. See the crew so fly, yeah we taking over the town. Taking over, watch them throw it back for a stack, make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this paper I can buy.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I got that big turbo ProEFI, but before I start talking about that, let's see the other accessories I got. PCI air pumper. I went with PCI because it has this little knob here to control the air instead of having a rocker switch, rugged radio. I have no room for another rocker switch, so PCI for the win. You can get that at glifeutv.com. Let's go to the back. I got the 6-gallon RPM auxiliary tank, super clean underneath the seat. Shout out to Yuma County Side by Sides for helping me install that. If you guys get that tank on rpm.com, just use coupon code Dyno, get that 5% off. Going towards the back here, MTS limit straps. Trying to save my rear axles from going out through those big glamis swoops. S1s, chase lights, pointing them down because don't want to blind the people behind me. RPM, you guys already know that 5% off, coupon code Dyno. I think that's pretty much it, the extra accessories that I installed from the previous video. So now let's go back towards, start talking about the big turbo because that's what you guys are here for. Just check out the intercooler, super clean, looks factory, OEM style, and that snail. So it's a 54 millimeter turbo. You guys can customize the exhaust, cut out, just get with Sean. You guys could, that's fully customizable. OEM bed, you keep it. That's super clean. Let's go back here to the catch can. There you go. ProEFI ECU. So you guys do your own research, but that's one of the main things why I went with ProEFI. The other main reason is because you can get this boost controller here. Let's open it up. Here we go. That boost controller, sorry. You got 5 different settings from 1 to 5. Boost anywhere from 5 to 12 psi. Obviously the horsepower is going to change. And then the kit also comes with a clutch kit, injectors, what else am I missing, fuel pump, and I think that's pretty much it. But like I said, you guys can do your own research. I went with ProEFI just because of the flex fuel, standalone ECU. By the way, Sean could remotely log in there in case you guys are having any issues, anything like that. it's just so convenient to have that flex fuel, plus that standalone and that turbo. I feel like it's really instant power. There's really no lag on the spool, so you can't go wrong with ProEFI. I highly recommend them. Check them out. They're out of Glendale. Sean's a good guy. He definitely did a good job on installing this turbo kit. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer them. By no means I'm not an expert, but I'll try to give you guys the information that I know. Yeah, let me know, guys. Until next time. All right, peace.